2000s, and now we're in the 2020s. Not to date this video, which I already did, but
so we're in the beginning of it, so early 2020s.
Yes, yes. So what are some of the cabinet trends that you see today that is, you know, on the market that people really should be interested in if they want to do a nice modern feel to the house? What are some of those type of trends that are going on?
Yes, so a big trend over the past few years is one that we all know very well, an open concept, right?
Okay.
So with an open concept has come the idea of an island in the kitchen. So that's very popular in all of the designs that we're doing right now, trying to include some sort of kitchen where people can sit, gather, watch the cooking island in the kitchen where people can sit, gather, and watch the cooking happen.
Yes.
And then along the lines of finish and style and that type of thing, a lot of neutral tones, lighter tones that are going to be kind of like a clean canvas for the home, so that perhaps an accent top, countertop, granite, whatever stone the client may want to go with can be what speaks in the design.
Yes.
We're seeing a lot of wood integrated and mixed with, you know, cleaner tones. So a lot of white with a soft wood tone, a lot of beige with a soft wood tone, kind of keeping everything organic, keeping everything in the neutral zone.